Whether applied for fun or function, Krylon Camouflage non-reflective ultra-flat paint allows you to easily customize a project. First, gather your supplies. Make sure to work in a well-ventilated area. The surface of your project should be clean, dull, and dry before applying spray paint. Choose from a variety of Krylon Camouflage paint colors to create your pattern. Before starting to spray paint, shake the can well. Test spray on scrap wood or metal before tackling your project. Apply a base coat over the entire project using the lightest color in your collection. For this project, we used Krylon Camouflage Khaki. For uniform coverage, move the can back and forth across your project, overlapping each spray pattern and starting and stopping off the project. Allow the base coat to fully dry. Use the stencils available on Krylon.com, create your own by hand, or look to nature and use tree leaves and branches. Position one stencil at a time over the surface. Secure it in place with painter's tape. Spray paint over the stencil in the second lightest color. For this project, we used Krylon Camouflage Olive. Leave the stencil in place until the paint is dry to touch. Repeat with each stencil shape. Once satisfied with the Krylon Camouflage Olive pattern, wait for the paint to dry before starting with your darkest color. Using foil is an easy way to mask any area you don't want covered with the pattern. Repeat each stencil shape with your darkest color. For this project, we used Krylon Camouflage Brown. Krylon allows you to easily customize your projects. Visit Krylon.com for more information.